Hey folks, Machinery Pete here. I'm in Medford, Minnesota at Ritchie Bros auction and selling just a few minutes here this 2014 Nuhn liquid manure agitator boat. 351 hours on it. It's going to be very interesting to see what it sells for. Hey folks, Machinery Pete here. I'm in Medford, Minnesota today at Ritchie Bros big sale, and I'm with Amy Unziker, the territory manager for Iowa, Minnesota. And Amy, quite an event here today.
Yes, we do. Quite a crowd.
How many total pieces roughly for sale today?
Roughly about over 50 pieces for the manure dispersal.
Okay. Yeah, and I know that's been generating a lot of interest, Amy.
Yes.
This late model equipment, it came out of Iowa?
Yes, came out of Forest City, Iowa.
Okay.
It's a complete dispersal. He's been in business for about 13 years and has just decided to stay home and farm, raise cattle. They have 7 kids, so he decided he needed to be around home a little bit more often.
Nice.
So.
And a late model equipment here. I know so were the John Deere tractors, the 9410s from him also?
Yes, yes. He has 4 2014 9410Rs as well as an 8320R too.
Okay. And tell us about that the Nuhn the Lagoon liquid manure boat that's been generating so much interest.
Yeah, that was a 2014 350 hours. It's been quite the hit. We've had quite a few people, some guys from Vermont, Wyoming, Brazil. We've had traction from all over coming to look at that. Yes, yes. So it's been great seeing everyone come in here, and that's been definitely a hot item. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how that sells today.
Yeah, I keep my eyes peeled, and you just don't see those anywhere.
No.
So to see one come up for sale is pretty exciting. And now you guys get a lot of people that come in and register the day before the sale.
Yes, yes, yep. So they can come and take a look at equipment and kind of kick the tires before the sale gets started.
And of course, your Ritchie Bros incredible online. You have people from all over the world that'll be watching and bidding today.
We do. It's great. Online and on-site, going at the same time.
Well, this is going to be fun today, Amy. And now, when is your next sale here in Medford, Minnesota?
December 14th is going to be our next sale.
Okay. Well, thanks for telling us about the late model manure equipment, and let's go see what it sells for.
Yes, thank you.
6.5. Bring in 166 of 2014 Untitled Series liquid manure agitator boat carriage unit. Not to kind of boat out like to ride it. Nevertheless, we're going to sell 166 2014 air. Give me 100. 100,000 with 100 air. Who's 100 air? 100. Who's 100,000 with 100 air? 50,000. 60. 70. 70. 80. 90,000. Now 100. Now 10. 10. 21. 21. 31. 31. 130,000. 40. 140,000 air. 141. 40. 135, how about 25, 132.5, no cheaper than that, boys, 132.5, 132.5, sold, 130,000 chicken wing, 358, 358.
I'll offer one farming operation, one farming operation. Of course, I know I'm going to mess that name up, say it one more time. Logie. From Mr. Logie's farming operation. He's quitting his custom pumping manure business. That's what he's doing. He's going to continue farming. He's just getting out of the manure business. This is his equipment. It's as shiny as you're going to find anywhere. Lot number 124, 126, and 147. They've got extended warranty available on them. I think that's all from John Deere from when he purchased the machine. Look, one of those tractors, best I remember, got a hitch on it. There it is, a plain tractor. Plain tractor. Guys, that is a single farming operation. We do sell single farming operations, and that's what that is right there. And it is quality all the way. All right, let's get to the heart of the matter here. Because we need 200 pounds on. Hey, pounds an hour. 150 pounds an hour. 75. 150 pounds an hour. 150 pounds an hour. 75. 175 pounds an hour. 160. I'm 150 pounds an hour. 150 now. 60. 150 pounds an hour. 150 pounds an hour. 60. 150 pounds an hour. 155. 150 pounds an hour. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 5155. He 150 now, 55, 5155 now, 60. He 150 pounds and I will be back in 160 pounds and now 160. He 155 now, 5. 155 pounds and now 155. He 165 to 70 pounds and I will be back in now 5. 175. He 175 pounds and now 80 pounds and now 180. He 180 pounds and I will 180. Buy us some one tractor. 180 pounds up. He 180 pounds and I will 180. He 177.5. He 175. He will take them all, boys. 180 pounds on. He 180 pounds and I will 180 pounds and I will 180. He 180 right out one farming operation. 180 pounds up. He 180 pounds and I will 180 pounds on. I gotta go. 180 pounds now. 180 pounds up. He 180 pounds and I will 80 and a half. So 177 pounds of 500. That is 47548. They're going to take lot number 144. 144 is gone. 14 model machines, white fan trim, 177 high. John, you want to be quick if you do. 177, 185. He 175 pounds of dollars. 185. He 172 pounds. He 177, 135, 177, 135, 177, 135. He did 55 pounds of dollars. 175. He did 55 pounds of dollars. 175. Here we go. He 175 pounds of dollars. 185. 14 model machines. 175 pounds on. Wrong side of 200 here, boys. He did it now. 175, 175, 175, 175, 175 pounds on. 175, 175 and a half. So 170 pounds of 500. Fire in. 342 the fire. 342 the fire. You want the one with the heat shot? Yes, sir. That's 147. That's 147. It's gone. Anybody else want to pick one out? I got 145, 146 left. 172 back. 172 back. One more time. 150 pounds up. 150 to 150. 150 pounds to 150. 150 to 150 pounds to now 150. 130 pounds up. 130 to